Hey guys, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 5 and today's going to be really exciting. So basically I'm supposed to be at work right now, but I'm starting late. I'm just about to do my makeup because I'm going to go with Max to pick up our birds. So if you guys saw our last videos, you would have seen our birds, and basically we had to rehome them because we're not allowed to keep them where we live now, and so I rehomed them to a friend who got really sick and is in and out of hospital, and so she can't look after them at the moment. So she asked if we could find a new place for them, and since we haven't got a new place yet, I talked to the landlord and she said that we can keep them for like a short time stay in our house. So we're gonna go and pick them up today. I'm super excited. I miss them so much. Every time I see a bird I cry, and it's actually ridiculous. Like, I love them so much, but it's just, I don't know, I think it wasn't the smartest idea for Max and I to get birds together because we do want to go traveling, we do want to move country, and we won't be able to bring them with us. It was very much like quite an impulse decision to buy them, and we've had them for a year now as well. So we got them pretty early on in our relationship, and like I love them to pieces. I've even got like a tattoo for one of my birds. One of my birds is called Woodstock, after like Snoopy and Woodstock, and so I got a tattoo of Woodstock from Snoopy. So yeah, that's my bird, and the other bird's called Rhino. And yeah, like Max was really against bringing them back home because like he didn't want to get attached to them again and then we have to leave them, you know, like give them away. But last night he found a feather in the fridge, which is weird because like the birds never saw this fridge, and he got really emotional and said that he's gonna allow me to go and get them. So I'm super excited. We're about to go get them. I'm just gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna head out, and man, I miss them so much. I'm so happy. I know that like I won't be able to keep them, but just having them for a little bit longer makes me so happy, so I'm very excited. We're going to get my birdies. I'm so excited. Max isn't, but I'm so excited to finally have like a full family again, even though it's only going to be for a couple weeks. Like I'm so excited. I miss them so much. So yeah, we're just going to go and grab them now. I should have grabbed their food out of the car, but they're back. So this one here is Woody, Woodstock, and this one down here is Rhino. Rhino's a boy and Woody's a girl. And we'll just set up their cage again. And yeah, they're very, very happy to see us. They look like they didn't have the best time away because they are very social and they love being like held. I'm pretty stoked. Max doesn't like their squawking, so he's not very happy about it, but we've just got them for a couple of weeks before we find them a new home, which Max is just figuring out now. Is that right?
Yep.
Yep. Does it look like I just went to the gym? A little bit, but it's okay. Sit down. I'll go over. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me.
That was smooth. Oh, you still got those? Huh? Yeah, of course I do. These ones are rad. They fit real well in my hands because they're like fringe cut. The up shop and just being like, oh, you got Jahmal, love this. Yeah. Guarantee there will be that donut in here. A bumper bar, a piece of carrot cake, and that's about it.
Oh, really? Good, Max? We got some like kimchi and vegetable fries. I got some fried cauliflower. So Emelia got a pork one? Yeah.
On, huh?
I also got a rainbow cover for it. There's oil down. Like a slip. That's awesome. Don't you put that in the video? Look at it, clubbing.
Get it.
Wait. I'm going clubbing tomorrow night.
don't expect that of this. We just got home from the Noodle Night Markets. It was a lot of fun, really, really good food. And all except for one of my mates has left and my sister's still here. And yeah, we're just about to go to bed. It was really fun though. And I'm really glad that my birds are back. They're just asleep over there. But yeah, I'm just happy. There's Max. Max, come back.
Alright.